Good morning, guys, on this beautiful Thursday morning. Thursday mornings are broadly known as ilanga lomama bomkhuleko. Ekuseni nje ngabo 9:10 we start seeing abomama from sisakhula, but see abomama in their different church regardless from their different churches. And we'd find on Thursday though that they bayahlangana, bayahlangana as different churches, bahlanganiswa into eyi-one, bahlanganiswa umkhuleko. I know in the Bible there's a story around esekhuluma ngomama besilile boma bomkhuleko, that abomama mabehlangene bekhuleka ngokujula, it moves God. The tears of a woman move God. And I got a challenge early this morning as a woman who chose to devote myself to God by becoming part of, it's called Umhlangano Sodality. And now Mama Nkhulile, from the time when I started the journey where I joined. And my challenge, the question from the Holy Spirit this morning was, ukusebenza, does it exempt you from honoring this Thursday, from being part of those women that go out and cry out to God and pray for isizwe? And I wasn't sure of this question, but it just kept coming up in the early hours. That are you exempted now just because you go out to work? And I guess no, I'm not. And I'm here to say to my peers or others that are working and cannot be part of Abo Mama ba Thursday bomkhuleko, yet to see Abo Mama who have chosen uba ama followers of Christ and uba Abo Mama bomkhuleko, that there is a way that imikhuleko yethu ingahlangana nemikhuleko yabo mama nabogogo nabo auntie ekhaya. And I'm going to use this platform. If I'm able to talk about things, why not talk about things of God? I'm going to use this platform every Thursday, 4 a.m. I will be using this platform to join in. By the time I leave the house and go to the matrix, to the world, the system, I would have left my own prayers. And I challenge you to join me. I'll probably have sessions where we open up and we do Bible sharing or motivation, but it will be focused mainly on umkhuleko. Let us also pray before we go out to the world. And I think thina esebenzayo nabantwana that go to school, we need God's covering more. So let us also silahlele nathi as abomama go ensimini, kube kukuthi thina nathi silahlele yethu imikhuleko ikwazi ukuthi ihlangane neyabo. And sikhulekise the various different ills and things esizibonayo ezikhona. Like I said, siphuma thina siwesi, we're going to a world ebuswa system, we're going to a world matrix. And we need to be more alert spiritually. We need to be more sensitive to the Holy Spirit. We need to be more in tune with Moya Ngcwele. We need to be more in prayer than abantu that are not going out there every morning and every day to the system. We are yizwa mangaba umuntu who is sensitive, like some of us. We are used how it can just drain you just being out there, because it's system, and with system kuphila different people, sihlangana nabantu abahlukahlukene, and sihlukile, sikhonza different things. Our mandates are different. Others vele, their spirits are just out there to drain, and vampire spirits, they are out there to destroy. They are out there with various mandates. So how are we strengthening ourselves? And I thought maybe, let's do a Thursdays thing and we are not exempted just because maybe sisebenza, especially those that are part of devotions, but it is open to anyone. So I'll post ukuthi next week Thursday 4 a.m. siyokhulekisa ini, and those that want to join me can DM me, can talk to me. Those that want to suggest something, those that want to do sharing, yeah, talk to me. Have a great Thursday.